Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use the Interactive Brokers app. First, download the IBKR mobile app from your app store, whether it's for Apple or Android devices. Once installed, open the app and enter your unique username and secure password to log in. For an extra layer of protection, make sure to enable two-factor authentication. This simple step adds significant security to your account, safeguarding your investments from unauthorized access. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard, which provides a quick overview of your account. Here, you can easily access your portfolio, view current positions, and check your cash balances. The intuitive layout helps you quickly find what you need. Look for the menu icon, usually in the top corner, to explore various trading tools, research options, and account settings. It's designed for efficient navigation, putting key features at your fingertips. Now let's place a trade. Use the search bar at the top to find a specific stock, option, or other asset you wish to trade. Once you've found your desired asset, select it and tap Trade to open the order ticket. Here, you'll enter the details. Specify the quantity, choose your order type, like a market order or a limit order, and set your price. Always review all the order details carefully before confirming and submitting your trade. After placing trades, it's crucial to monitor them. The app allows you to view all your open orders and your complete trade history in real time. If market conditions change, you can easily modify or cancel any pending orders directly from your device. Additionally, set up custom price alerts to receive notifications about significant market movements. You can also access extensive research and news within the app to help inform your future investment decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.